Hi, I want to make a video about 2006 Passat, the passenger side door lock, which is this. Once broken, you cannot set the alarm and you cannot lock the door. So here's what you do: buy this part, and then you, first of all, there's 3 screws in this door panel, 1, 2, and 3. You pry open this door panel to access to the screw. It's best to use the long one, the long drive to open it up. And there's a clip all around, so you have to somehow try to pry open the clip. Once you open, there is 3 lines. 1 line here, access to the handle. There's one the electric, another electric. You open up. The next one, you have to unscrew all those screws, like this, all around. And also this part that you kind of have to push it in to have access to it. Once you open this metal panel, you have access to the lock here. You'll be located like this. It was hanging, so there's just one clip. If you can try to somehow push the clip up, you'll be able to take this out. And of course, it was connected to another electric outlet inside. The trick here is you have the glass rolling up, which is very important. You have to make sure it's rolled up in the beginning. When you come to try to open this, try to take out this part, you push this glass downward a little bit, maybe up to here. So you somehow try to take this out. Once you unclick this part, and there's a click, something similar to this one. You can have access to it. You basically take it out and get the new part in. Now you just little bit tricky here. Make sure you don't have to take out the glass window, but somehow you have to push down on the bottom, because this glass, you cannot take the full panel out. It was stopped by this screw. So try to not damage the glass, but that's how I did it. You can somehow push down the glass down to here, and you use your hand to access to this part. So the rest will be easy, because once you take this part out, you can unclick this one and you put back right in, and you redo the metal piece, and you have to screw on the side. So I'm not able to demonstrate to you because I already closed it up. So once you do that, everything just reverse. You put it back, it should be working. I did this video because some YouTube video I saw, they have this opening. They don't need to open this whole panel. I was so frustrated when I opened this up. I couldn't have access to it. It took me a while to figure out. And that's the reason I want to make this video, so that whoever want to work on this 2006 Passat, you actually can do it yourself. You just take time. You take this panel out, and there's a little bit tight room. But the trick here is make sure you beginning you roll out the window. When you try to do this part, you roll down. You manually push down the window, the glass window a little bit down. So in order to have access to this area. will be like this. So you do the same thing. Once you swap out the old part, put it back, and make sure you plug this back before you close it out. Everything, hopefully it worked for me. So once I put it back, I test it out. The alarm work and the glass work, everything is work. Hopefully it will help somebody do yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.